Good morning to all. Today we have to start chapter 14 mensuration first. Formula area of parallelogram equal to base into height. This is our parallelogram ABCD. Base is equal to AB into height is equal to DP. This is the height. Now area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Here base is BC and height is AP, means equal to half into BC into AP. Area of rhombus, base into height. Base is AB and height is DP, and half into D1 into D2. So D1 means diagonal first and D2 means diagonal second. Diagonal first is AC and D2 means diagonal second means BD. There are the two formula to find the area of rhombus. First one base into height, second one half into D1 into D2. Now area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel side into height. Sum of parallel side means only one pair of sides are parallel. So AB is the first side and DC is the second side. So here we have to take half into B1 plus B2. This is B1 and this is B2. Into height means H. H means DB. Now exercise 14.1 question. Find the area of parallelogram where base is 26.5 cm and apex perpendicular is 7 cm. So given base of parallelogram is equal to 26.5 cm and height means perpendicular is equal to 7 cm. So area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So put the value 26.5 cm multiplied by 7 cm. So here the answer will come in centimeter square. 7 5 is 35, 3 carry, 5 we have to write, 7 6 is 42, 42 plus 3 45. So 5 we have to write and 4 carry, 7 2 is 14, 14 plus 4 18. One number before point, here also one number before point we have to write. So answer is area of parallelogram is 185.5 centimeter square. Now the next question is find out the base of parallelogram. Here we have to find base whose area is 390 centimeter square and the perpendicular apex is 26 centimeter. So here height of parallelogram is given 26 centimeter and base we have to find, and what is given? Area of parallelogram is given. How many given? 390 centimeter square. So write here 390 and area of parallelogram. Here we have to write base into height. The base we have to find and height value is 26 is equal to 390. So base is equal to 390 upon 26. 13 2 ja, 13 3 ja, 13 0 ja. So 30 upon 2 means 15 centimeter. So answer is base of parallelogram is 15 centimeter. Now exercise 14.2 question number first. Find out the area of a triangle with base 12 cm and corresponding height is of 7 cm. So solution, given base of triangle equal to 12 cm and height is equal to 7 cm. We have to find here area of triangle. The formula is half into base into height. So here half into, in the place of base 12 centimeter into height 7 centimeter. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. So 6 7 ja 42 centimeter square. To right answer, area of triangle is 42 centimeter square. Now question, find out the perpendicular apex length of a triangle where base is 6.5 centimeter and the area is 26 centimeter square. So here base of triangle is given. How many given? 6.5 centimeter. And height we have to find. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to how many given? 26 centimeter square. Here we have to write the formula half into base into height. And that side we have to put the value. Now half into, in the place of base we have to write 6.5 multiplied by height is equal to 26. Now height is equal to 26. Now it will cross multiply. This is given in numerator, so it will come in denominator, and this is coming in denominator, it will go in numerator. Now remove decimal, we have to write here 0. So 26 upon 65 multiplied by 20. 5 4 ja 20, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26. So 2 4 ja 8 centimeter. So your answer is height of triangle is 8 centimeter. Now exercise 14.3 question first. Find the area of a rhombus where diagonals are of 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So here given we have to write diagonals. D1 is equal to 24 centimeter, D2 is equal to 10 centimeter. We have to find here area of rhombus. The formula is half into D1 into D2. Put here value D1 half into D1 24 into D2 10. 2 1 ja 2, 2 12 ja 24. 12 multiplied by 10 120 centimeter square. That is your answer. So your answer is area of rhombus is 120 centimeter square. Now second question is find the area of rhombus where one side is 7.5 centimeter and the perpendicular from the apex is 4 centimeter. So solution given we have to write one side means base. One side means base is equal to how many given? 7.5 centimeter. And perpendicular from apex means height is equal to 4 centimeter. So area of rhombus is equal to base into height. There are two formula according to questions we have to put. So here base is 7.5 multiplied by 4. 4 5s are 20. 2 we have 0 we have to write and 2 carry 4. 7 is 28 plus 2 30. One number before point, to here also one number before point. So 30 centimeter square. To answer you have to write area of rhombus is equal to 30 centimeter square. Question number third. Find the area of trapezium where parallel sides are of 20 meter and 8 meter and the distance between their two sides are 12 centimeter. So here we are going to make one trapezium. This is a trapezium where two parallel sides. This is a parallel side, first and second. So first side is 20 meter and second side is 8 meter. And distance between both sides are how many meter? 12 centimeter. A, B, C, D. So here given A, B, C, D is a trapezium where parallel sides B1 is equal to 20 meter and B2 is equal to 8 meter, and height means distance between both sides. Distance between both sides is equal to 12 centimeter. So area of trapezium is equal to half into B1 plus B2 into height. So half into B1 20 plus B2 8 into height means 12. So half into 20 plus 8, 28 into 12. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. 28 multiplied by 6. 6 8 ja 48, 4 carry. 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 4, 16. 116, 8 centimeter square is your answer. So area of trapezium is 168 centimeter square. Now your homework is all the left questions of exercise 14.1, 14.2 and 14.3. That is your homework.